Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks chicken and bacon on brioche sandwich. So, oh, she's hot. That is it there. It's got bacon, chicken, and some sauce. I think it's an apple type of sauce. And it smells amazing. I wish you guys could all smell this right now. I am extremely excited to try this out. There are 600 calories in this and 29 grams of protein, 25 grams of fat, and the rest of carbohydrates. So it's a little bit higher in the caloric intake than some of the other foods there, but it makes up for it in its taste and its chicken, and it's got almost 30 grams of protein, so that's pretty decent on its own. So it's quite hot. And you can see the chicken there and the bacon. I'm gonna get right into this. It smells amazing. Well, the bun is really nice too. Pretty thick. Nice fluffy, good texture. That's good. Chicken and bacon in the next bite. It's really good bacon they have at Starbucks. Now it's not like sticky, like stuck together bacon where you have to like rip it apart. This stuff nearly melts in your mouth. So good. So yeah, I'm a really big fan of this sandwich. One of my favorites from Starbucks. Chicken and bacon. Great combination. And the sauce that they use in this got a lot of flavor. But it's not like crazy strong. It just goes with the chicken and the bacon very well. And it's amazing. This is so good. One of the best meal options out there. And from Starbucks. So good. Hard to go wrong with chicken and bacon, honestly. I'm not a big fan of bacon, but I'm a huge fan of chicken. So together, this is perfect. And a vanilla sweet cream cold brew to top it all off. So good. That'll be my last bite. I'll give my review on this chicken bacon sandwich. Chicken bacon on brioche. So yeah, the chicken's pretty melts in your mouth. It's not like tough. Same with the bacon. You take a bite, you're not gonna get stuff all over the place. The bread, the bun, oh, it's so good. Like, you can see the texture to it. It's got like, it's kind of crispy, crunchy. Not crunchy, but it's like harder on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. Really good. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. This is one of the best things that I've had in a long time. And I don't know, I just find the combination of chicken and bacon to go perfectly together. Starbucks knocked it out of the park with this one. Chicken, bacon, and brioche, so good. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.